Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Naidu Polisetti and I am very excited to share my internship report presentation now. So let's get into the topic. Yeah, before going into the topic, let's see the table of contents. Here I am going to explain the background information of my company and my position and responsibilities and the task I accomplished there and skills I developed and knowledge I gained and also some of the ongoing considerations now, and then we're gonna end the topic with the conclusion. So let's get into that. So here you can see my company logo. I work for Tubacex Group. So mainly we have four plants all over the world. So I worked for the plant in Oklahoma, Durant. So we have one more plant in Houston, and we have one more in Spain. That's the main branch, and one more in the India. So the main Tubacex Durant here is a leading manufacturer of stainless steel tubes and pipes. Okay, which manufactures the stainless steel tubes, and we supported from the IT side. So here we helped them to integrate SAP Business One and fix cmms in this manufacturing process, so that to identify all the work orders, workflows, so they can do all the preventive maintenance, everything from one point itself. So the main background information of this company is focusing on the inventory and the maintenance management, procurement optimization and production quality. This means that we helped the company to build a robust inventory management system and also the maintenance system, so that they can see which part they have and which part they don't have, so that they can order before that part they need. And this mission is completely about the promoting the efficiency, innovation and sustainability through the digital transformation. Here, coming to my position and responsibilities, I started here as an engineering intern, mainly focusing on the inventory and the maintenance system analysis. So, and I worked for these responsibilities. So I started on the day one itself. They taught me in managing the inventory and spare parts using the SAP Business One. So this SAP Business One mainly helps them to integrate everything, like it also helps in like purchasing, so item master data, and whatever that improves the process in the plant, it can be done with the SAP Business One itself. And coming to the Fiix cmms, we used the Fiix cmms for maintenance and asset tracking. Before that, the company don't have any software. They did it everything manual. After we get into that, we worked for the company to get in the SAP Business One and fix CMMS into that company. And we also supported the procurement team by automating the workflows and managing the suppliers data. So this means like one company have like thousands of suppliers, so they can't access all the data by using any excels or something like that. So we automated all the supplier data through the Fiix cmms and the SAP Business One software. And also we automated the workflows, which means so there are like different jobs in every sector. So like there is a manufacturing sector, there is like a shipping sector, there is like management sector. So all these have like different workflows. So for everything the work needs to be done, we created a platform for the Fiix cmms, so that they can submit a work order, they can choose the status of that and everything itself. And we also implemented the predictive maintenance techniques for all the machines over there. So there are like predictive maintenance techniques means a machine needs to be serviced like through once a year or twice a year, something like that. So they have separate preventive maintenance task list for every machine. So whatever the task needs to be done on that machine, So we did a predictive maintenance technique, so that the software analyze all the data, so coming through that system, coming to that machine, and analyze all the data to work for the predictive maintenance techniques. And when coming to the task I accomplished here, I used the Fiix cmms tutorial and software functionality for inventory and the maintenance. And coming to the core features of the Fiix, we integrated the maintenance tasks with the SAP Business One, and also used the SAP Business One to identify all the items by using the item master data module, and inventory control by ensuring the data consistency for inventory control. And we also helped them with the purchasing module by submitting by all the vendors list, suppliers list, so that easily identify the supplier and also can easily make an order with using that supplier data. And we also helped them for the inventory management to automate the points and the stock updates, so every time they get a new stock they can update everything in there, and they can track everything from the Fiix cmms software. This is how the Fiix cmms software dashboard looks like. So we created the maintenance sheet, notifications, assets, supplies, purchasing, reports, audit trails, settings, and analytics. So if we if you open the dashboard, so we can see a calendar here, and the whatever the assets they have, and whatever the work orders they have, and whatever the purchase submit work orders, and whatever they have the purchase requests, everything here. And if we are coming to the notification section here, we can see if like there is anything uh, problem in the notifications. They can see all the messages in the inbox. If they want to send any messages, they can send the messages here. If they want to see the system messages and trash, they can see everything here. So mainly this purpose, the purpose of the Fiix cmms is to track everything that is going in the plant. So the assets means all the machines listed in the plant. The supplies means there are like something like parts for every machine. There are something spare parts. So the purchasing goes comes to the purchasing data, so they need the suppliers data and everything. We included all the data in the purchasing module. So whenever they need any reports coming to any section or any part, like if there is a mission like a mission that used 20 parts throughout for 1 month. So if they wanna see the reports like how many parts they used for like mission A, they can get a report from here. And also not only for the mission A, they can get all the data for all the missions in the plant. So this image is showing the web application one side and the mobile app on one side. So coming to the web application, as we already discussed in the previous page, we can see the work orders. So we created something here to identify all the work orders that are going in the plant. So that they can create a work order there. And also coming here, you can see the mobile application and interface. They can use any mobile or any computer or something, any tablet like that, so that they can have a mobile device within their hand. So we built a system to scan a QR code. So we implemented a system to generate a QR code using that, so that whatever the part they have, they can just go and scan that with this Fiix cmms application, so that they can get all the information about that part, like the part name, the part code, the supplier data, the price, the last stock they have. So whatever the data, and on what work order the part is issued, everything they can get from the Fiix cmms app. And right now we are working on the cycle counts development process for the Fiix cmms. uh, and we also did some changes like counting the assets and scanning multiple QR codes at the same time. That's it. So coming to the skills I developed and my knowledge I gained after this internship. So I think now I'm feeling as like a proficient in using the Fiix cmms software and SAP Business One. Yes, we helped them in building that software and putting the processor thoughts in the application, and we executed the whole design there. And we also applied the predictive analysis and the proctor to maintenance techniques, which mainly improved the inventory accuracy and procurement efficiency. So there will be no discrepancies happen after using this proper utilization of the software. And I also improved my data driven decision making techniques that generated actionable insights through these detailed reports. So, and after I collaborated with everyone, I gained like a good communication and coordination techniques from the my seniors. Yeah, this part of the video is explaining about the logos that we use for the Fiix. So we mainly worked for the Rockwell Automation Company, that's like operated a Fiix and SAP Business One. So it is like a SAP, one of the SAP's module. So we integrated both of these. So whenever we change anything in the Fiix, it will automatically reflect in the SAP Business One, and also the vice versa, so that there will be no discrepancies, there will be no double working also. So we eliminated most of the double working procedures. So whenever an item is like if you use a work order for an item, so if you pull that item means the quantity will be reduced in Fiix, means that will automatically reflected in the SAP Business One also. And while coming to the ongoing consideration, right now we are in the advanced predictive analysis stage. That's for exploring the machine learning models and integrating the AI techniques into the plant, so that they can automate everything from one point itself. And coming to the client interaction, I gained like more exposure to the client facing roles. And also we are planning to the broadening the ERP tool, so that expand the technical proficiency in other platforms also. And coming to these recommendations, I we included shadowing opportunities with the senior managers, so that we can gain more expertise in this field. And while coming to the conclusion, after completing my internship at Tubacex, I gained a complete exposure on the SAP Business One and also in the Fiix cmms. So this strengthened my career and aspirations to become a data engineer. So as I worked on the more bulk amount of data in the manufacturing industry, so right now I'm thinking that I'm like a good capable person to integrate all these techniques in other kinds of fields also, to analyze the technical, analytical and professional skills. Thank you.